Got him. Slab. Oh. Freaking slab. Let's go. Right in the roof of the mouth, boy. Yeah. Let's go. Sniping them out, baby. That's 2. 23 more to go. We're gonna try to get a limit today, guys. I'm just getting used to this whole Livescope thing, man, and I'm loving it. Well, I like video games, so this is like a video game to me. 2 in the bucket. Let's go. All right, new setup, guys. There we go. Got a nice one about 20 feet out, 28 feet out. That should be right there. Oh, perfect. See if you guys can see that. I'm gonna go for this one here on the bottom. He's a big one. Looks like he's already starting to creep up too. Oh yeah, he gonna smoke it. Watch this. Got him.
Oh.
That was a slab. He looked big on the screen, dude.
Yeah. Oh.
I'm gonna flip him. Woo wee, son.
On that white and chartreuse.
On that white and chartreuse crappie magnet. Yeah, let's go. Live scoping. Right after we got a heavy storm last night. I'm talking the rain was coming in sideways. And well, we on them now, son. Yeah, I just started trolling and I seen them and I spot locked it and made some quick adjustments, and next thing you know, boom, we got another one in the boat. Hey, hit that marker on the little boat in the cup holder right here. There's a little deal. Move the number up. Two nice ones sitting right beside each other. Here we go, guys. Got him. Slab. There's another one down there. It's right next to him. Give me those pliers, will you? Right behind you. Get up here and catch this other one. Right to the right of the boat. Water temp is 59.
Which one are you trying to drop on?
Don't know.
Oh, that one right there. Oh yeah, he's coming towards it.
Yeah, he is. Got him.
Got him. There you go. Alright.
Jeez, doggy. He hit the blue, boy.
You like the blue?
I don't know. Where you at? Let's see. Maybe go a little. Oh, there you go.
Right on it.
Oh, he's about to grab it. Oh, yeah, he did.
And like dropped right on top of it.
Where's your line? Oh, he got it. Yeah, he got it. Good catch, my boy.
That's what I was trying to go for.
Yeah. You might have to measure him.
Yeah, well.
He's right underneath the boat,
drop
dude.
it.
Hold on.
Oh, you're right on.
Got him. Oh, he's a nice one. That's a slab. It's crazy how one little movement can change.
I know, right?
Just catch 3 just like that. That's a slab right there, boys. Whoo, boy, mama gonna be proud today.